everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw the cartoon mouse from Trevor Henderson. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our cartoon mouse from Trevor Henderson, we're going to begin with the head. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to make a nice circle shape. So we just want to make a nice circle shape for the head of our cartoon mouse. Now, starting up here, we're going to make another circle shape for an ear. And right over here, I'm going to make a circle shape, and I'm going to stop here, and then I'll draw a part of it, and I'll stop right here. I want to make it look like there's like a bite taken out of it, so we're going to make a few little bumpy lines in here. Now, starting at the top here, I'm going to make a line like this. I'm going to leave some space and I'll make another little diagonal line on this side. We're going to make a little line that goes down and it's going to curve up. And I'll do the same thing here. We're going to go down and I'm going to curve up. Then right here at the top, we'll add another nice big curved line here and then another one right in here for the eyes. It's going to be a small circle for a nose. And then for the mouth, we're just going to make a line that goes up and down. And then a little line is going to curve up and down here. Starting here, we're just going to draw a little line that's going to come down. It's going to curve around and then come back up for the body. The arm here is going to go out. It's going to come down, kind of like a rounded point, and it's going to come back up. Same thing on this side. We're going to go down. It's going to go straight down a little bit, come to like a rounded point, and it's going to come up. Almost kind of looks like a tentacle. Make a little line here. It's going to go down, come to another one of those rounded points and up. And then one here. It's going to go down, rounded point, and then up. And there you go. There is your drawing of Cartoon Mouse from Trevor Henderson. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.